Welcome to Monaco! Hi folks, we're here in Monaco for a lovely weekend and we're staying on a boat. Now, we're going to give you a little tour of the boat, so come and have a look with us. So our little boat is in Port Hercule, which is right in the centre of Monaco. It's the main harbour here, and we are sharing with some of the most expensive yachts in the world, and we are going to do a nice tour of the yachts, so there's plenty to see across our Monaco videos. Our boat is moored right here in Port Hercule, which is the harbour in Monaco, right beside the swimming pool and just moments from the Formula 1 start and finish line. It's honestly one of the most incredible locations you can stay in Monaco, and we had the best time staying here. There's always something going on in Monaco, be it the Grand Prix, lots of Formula E stuff, there's always a boat show or two going on. We're on this walkway just down in the main harbour, past these little small boats, and let's show you where we are staying. Now, we booked our little boat on booking.com. We were just looking for somewhere to stay in Monaco. We come here quite frequently and we do love it. We like to see if there's anywhere new to stay. And last time we checked, this popped up. It's very reasonably priced considering the location. And it's a little boat called Spectru, which I think means Spectre because there's a little Ghostbusters symbol over here. So I'm guessing that's what that means. I'll have to look that up. But here we go. It's a 2-cabin boat with a sun deck. We arrived yesterday and I must say we're having a lovely time so far, aren't we, Jeff?
We're having an extremely lovely time.
Oh,
you cannot beat this location.
No, it's
fabulous.
It's one of the best locations in the world, let's be honest.
Where we are. I mean, it's incredible. That's
Monaco behind. You've got the casino and the you've got the casino up there along with the...
You've got the 5-star hotel.
Yeah, you've got the Hermitage, the Hotel de Paris. It's incredible. Anyway, let's take you onto our boat. Jeffrey, you go first.
Right, okay.
There she goes. It is a bit wobbly. We're a bit wobbly going on, but we've got used to it now. There we go. Right, my turn.
I didn't fall in, so that's good. Your turn next.
Right, come on. Okay, I'll hold on to this. It's a bit wobbly, but we've managed it so far. Okay, so just step down here. We've stepped onto the boat, onto this little sun deck, this little kind of dining area where there's a table and chairs. We've eaten our breakfast out here, haven't we, Jeff?
We did this morning, it was lovely.
And we had our breakfast surrounded by these lovely boats and, of course, Monaco in the background. All right, Jeff, come on, let's have a look inside.
Follow me.
Okay, so we go into the living area of the boat through this lovely slide door, and
it's got everything you need, really, hasn't it?
It is compact, but it is perfectly formed. We've got this table with benches around it, and that's one of the mags we picked up at the airport yesterday. Always good for a read. And it's all very lovely and wooden here. It's quite traditional, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice boat.
So we've got some storage. And we've got the coffee machine, a kettle and the TV. Over here, I mean, we're obviously not going to drive the boat or sail the boat anywhere, but this would be where we do it. Air conditioner and a little fridge freezer. And this over here opens up to a sink. Open it up, Jeff. Yeah, so everything's really, really well designed. We've got a little sink unit there and a little working surface. We've got 2 food cupboards. We've got a cupboard for cups and glasses, all nicely stored there. And down here, in this really lovely cabinetry, we've got our cutlery. They've kindly provided things like foil and cling
Food
film
bags.
and food bags and lots of other very useful bits and pieces. This cupboard under the sink is where the plates are stored, and also we've been storing our Pringles. So quite a lot of storage, everything we need for a little weekend stay. Air conditioning machine is essential because it is actually very hot here. Monaco's on the med. Now let's have do a little tour. We've got
Little radio.
a little radio up there. Little curtains. And the seating has been very comfy indeed. I enjoyed a cup of tea around that this morning. Okay, Jeff, lead the way. So the bedrooms are down a few steps.
Bedrooms and bathrooms.
Yes, there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's go and have a look.
Let's do the bedrooms first.
Okie dokie. Okay, let's have a look. So this is my bedroom. It's a double bed. It's very cosy indeed.
I would say this is the master bedroom because it has the ensuite.
Yes, little ensuite just there. But yes, this is a really cute little cabin.
Nice skylight.
Really well designed, of course. We've got some storage.
Lots of storage in here.
Yeah, storage on the walls. We've got some lighting around the bed, so we've got some bedtime lighting. Got our little porthole there, and this room has a TV on the wall if you fancy watching telly in bed. We haven't so far because the view outside is so incredible. We've tended to stay outside. So that is a little wardrobe right there, and that is a little cupboard. More storage beside the beds, just over here. And another little wardrobe over here. Now this bed last night was super cosy. I had a really great night's sleep in it. And I loved looking at the moon through the little skylight. So great night's sleep. Now this is the little ensuite here, and it has a toilet and a little sink, and it becomes a shower room in here too, because if you pull this out, it becomes a shower head. And we've got a little mirror and 2 very cute little portholes and a bit of storage there as well. So it's a small space, but it's very well designed indeed. Right, let's see your room, Jeff.
This room is fairly compact.
Yes.
It's got
Okay.
2 single beds in it.
Yeah, so it's 2 single beds. Cosy, but fine. Very cute.
Bedside lights again.
And you've got a little bit of storage between the beds there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Little bedside table.
It's a smaller room.
Yeah.
It is nice. Got the wardrobe.
You've got some storage on the wall. There are your little portholes. Just there. Another useful shelf. And you've got a bit of storage space there, haven't you? That's like a little wardrobe. It's got you can hang stuff up in there, can't
Yeah.
you? Okay. There we go. There's a nice big mirror in here as well. And let's have a look here. You've got more storage again. Well, it is compact in here, isn't it? But it's small but perfectly formed.
It's well designed, actually.
Yeah. There we go. Shut the door, Jeff.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah. So it's lovely wood. It's kind of everywhere in this little boat. But it's been a very cosy place to stay last night, and hopefully tonight. We've loved staying here so far. Okay, now there is one other room to see, which is a second little shower room. Yeah, okay, let's have a look. I've got an ensuite in my room, and Joanna's kind of got her own little...
I mean, it's almost en suite.
Yeah, so...
It's another little shower room.
Another little shower room.
along here is a little lounge area to do a bit of sunbathing.
Yeah, at the front of the boat there's a place to kind of lie down, so let's have a look. It's like a little sun deck, isn't it?
A sun deck, yeah.
Okay, do you have to hold on tight?
You do have to be quite careful.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, yes, we go along the side of the boat. There are railings, so we've definitely made use of those. And it's absolutely gorgeous out here, isn't it?
This is beautiful.
So this has been our little sun deck. Yesterday we did have a lovely sunbathe on here. And this is above my bedroom.
It was very nice to have a little cocktail on the...
Yeah, we had a cocktail out here and a little sunbathe yesterday. It's a bit overcast today. It's still very warm though, but yesterday we did have a little sunbathe and a little cocktail. And just look where we are, in the very heart of Monaco, staying on our own little small yacht. Well, it's a boat, but we do feel like we're living the high life this weekend.
We definitely are living the high life.
Surrounded by these lovely boats, lovely Monaco.
You've got old Monaco up on the rock there.
Yeah, that's kind of the Monaco Old Town. The Prince's Palace is up there as well. It's well worth a walk and a look. We are going to be filming several Monaco walks while we're here, so do stay tuned for those, and do follow us on our YouTube channel, Walks and All. Like and subscribe. Okay, so there's another bit of outdoor space here that we haven't shown you yet. There's actually a sun deck on the roof of the boat, and we'll take you up there right now. So we are just going back along the side of the boat. You do have to hold on, but we are getting used to that. Thankfully I've got quite comfy and sensible sandals on today. Here we go, back downstairs, back at the back of the boat. Okay, so up this ladder is the top deck, and let's go up there. Hi Jeff.
Hi.
Come upstairs.
I'll see how graceful I am.
Yeah, you wouldn't really want to have mobility difficulties coming up here, but that's okay because we don't.
Yes.
Anyway, so here we are, we're on the top deck. There's a nice little kind of comfy sofa here.
Again, great for cocktails.
I mean, this is a working boat, like it is used by the owner. A little table here. We've popped up here a couple of times, haven't we?
We had lunch up here today, didn't
Yeah,
we?
we had lunch up here. I came up here for a nice cup of tea last night. And again, you do get a lovely view. It's really nice. Such a pleasure.
It was very nice this morning. The sun was coming up, wasn't it? Just over there.
Yes, we woke up kind of quite early this morning and the sun was rising and it was just gorgeous. The colours were fabulous. Just up there is the Prince's Palace, and that's where Prince Albert of Monaco lives. Should you want to go and have a look, you can go in there and it's really lovely. And there's lots to see. So behind us here is the casino. There's the Monaco Yacht Club. There's loads going on. And Monaco in itself is just generally well worth a visit, and it can be done on a budget. So when we get back to our little boat, this is the drill. Joanna has to use her big beefy arms to let the gangplank down. Yeah, we have to unhook the ropes, or Joanna does, and lower the gangplank. And then we have to walk the plank, don't we, Jeff?
Indeed.
Right, get your bag, Jeff, and walk the plank. And make me a cup of tea, please. I am desperado. Or maybe a little bit of fizz. There she blows. Right, my turn.
Here comes Leslie.
Right, shipmates.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you very much. I love our little boat. I'm so thrilled that we've stayed on this boat. Highly recommended. Might be time for a little glass of fizz now. Cheers! Hope you've enjoyed this little tour of our delicious little boat in Monaco. It's been lovely to show you around. Do stay tuned. We're going to be filming a few videos here in Monaco. And if you like the luxury lifestyle on a bit of a budget, then follow along, like and subscribe. And do let us know, have you been to Monaco or have you stayed on a boat? We'd love to know. Let us know in the comments, folks. Thanks for joining us today on our little tour, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.